Welcome to Energy Things to Think About over the weekend. The first thing that I'll be looking at this weekend is watch closely and look at the economic growth for 2019. What we saw today is over the last few weeks that oil price has dipped to 76 and a lot of it was because of the expectation that oil demand will actually fall, and we saw today Vitol, one of the largest oil trading companies, coming out and say that they expect oil demand to decline and they expect oil price to be between $65 and $75 next year. And what he actually was said is that actually if people wants to buy cargoes of crude today, there actually a lot of supply in the market. So supply is quite good, quite healthy, and demand, due to the trade wars, to the kind of volatility in oil price over the last 6 months, looks really sluggish for next year. So that's the first thing that I'll be thinking about over the weekend. The second thing that I'm going to think about, which one of the comments that I heard yesterday from one of my meetings, about how governments or gas producers kind of really focus on G2G relationship or G2G kind of supply deal, and how could they actually go from directly to the consumer, in this case to the whether the industrial or the power producers, and there was a lot of conversation is that how could gas producers really help build the infrastructure to go directly to the consumers, and particularly gas distribution network. And if we look at the next wave of countries that could potentially import LNG, they all lack in infrastructure. So how could the gas producers really play a more of an active role in building this gas distribution network? And the third thing, which was also kind of interests me, that I've been in Oman for the last few days, and it's really kind of what captured my imagination and captured my interest is the growth in more major energy projects that was announced in Oman, and one with Shell with the GTL plant in Duqm. Total also announced a major LNG bunkering project in Oman, and we saw Petronas over the last 2 weeks announcing a 10% equity in Al Khazan field. So Oman, looking at Oman closely and the opportunities around Oman is something that I'm gonna think about over the weekend, and its role in the energy industry, not only here in the region, but on the wider region, and yeah. So Oman, it's another interesting market that I'll be looking over this weekend. So thank you for watching this video. Please keep engaged in our activities on the sideline of ADIPEC. We have a range of executive roundtables and workshops that we're going to be holding around on the sideline of ADIPEC. So please get engaged, get involved, and let us know your views. Thank you very much.